Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. In this video, I will show you how to create a children's storybook for selling on Amazon KDP. Let me show you how much money you can actually make with this.
Okay, so let's head over to Amazon KDP royalty calculator. And here you can see we'll input our details and it will give us what kind of royalty we'll make. So here we're going to choose colored interior with white paper. The size would be 8 by 8 inches. We are selling it on Amazon.com. The page count would be 24 and the list price is going to be $19. Okay, and submit. Okay, so now you can see here that our estimated royalty, so that's the money in our pocket, would be $7.20. Imagine selling 10 of these per day. That would mean $2,100 per month in your pocket. And if you can make 5 such books, that would be $10,000 in your pocket. Okay, perfect. Let's head over to Amazon.com and do some market research. So I'm gonna look for children's story books ages 3 to 5 just to see what's selling. Bestsellers is the filter. So the theme here mostly looks like whimsical, adventure, and they have quite a bit of reviews too. So I think that would be a good topic to go with. Perfect. Now let's head over to ChatGPT so that we can get our script. Okay. So I'm going to input instructions. I'm going to say write a story about a 5-year-old girl who goes on a whimsical adventure and learns about courage. Okay, so here we have our story. I'm going to ask it to make it sound more like a children's bedtime storybook. Here we go. Make it into a children's bedtime storybook. Okay, perfect. Now we need instructions for illustrations that we would need to input in our AI. So please give instructions for each scene to be illustrated using Canva AI. And there you have it. So every scene would have instructions that we would input in Canva AI. Another thing we need to do is check for plagiarism. So we're gonna head over to Grammarly and we're gonna copy and paste and scan for plagiarism. Oh, it says plagiarism found. Okay, I'm quickly gonna go back and see if we can try that again. Nope. Plagiarism still found. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to rewrite it and check for plagiarism itself. It's going to do that. So it has rewritten the entire script and check for plagiarism too, but we're still going to go ahead and paste that in Grammarly and check for ourselves. And there you go. No plagiarism found. So that part is done. Perfect. Let's head over to Canva now. And now we're gonna create a storybook. Perfect. And we're gonna go into apps. And we're gonna go into Magic Media. We're gonna select the type of illustration we want. And it's gonna be, first let's go ahead and paste the prompt in there. Okay, and I've selected Dreamy as the type of illustration. So it's going to generate 4 different variations and we can select which one we like. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to kind of tweak what the instructions were initially just to get specifically what we're looking for. So here I added, we need a 5-year-old little girl in the illustration, and there you have it. So now the illustration includes a 5-year-old little girl and we're gonna select this one. So this is the process. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into ChatGPT, copy all of your instructions and you're gonna paste them in this AI image generator in Canva, and you're gonna start generating your images. I'm quickly gonna fast forward this part. You get the idea. So here is one trick I want to show you with Canva is we see an extra unicorn on there, and we're just going to go over to magic erase and erase it using the eraser. And there it is. It has disappeared. And this now looks perfect for our purposes. So I'm going to go back to continuing and generating images. Again, I'm using this magic eraser for the bunny. And I'm just looking for a cover picture now for our cover page. Okay, that one looks great. Now every other page is empty or blank, and I'm gonna fill in some coordinating colors in there. So this first page would be, because it's a children's book, I'm gonna write something like "this book belongs to" on there, and I'm gonna use that colorful cloud, and I'm just adjusting the font here, and there we go. So now the kid can write his or her name on there, and it's just a bit more personalized and makes them happy. Okay, great. So now, like I said, every second page has to be blank because that's where the actual story will go. And now I'm gonna copy the first paragraph from ChatGPT, head over to Canva, paste it in Canva, adjust the font and the placement, and make sure I like it, the size, the color combination, all of that. That looks good, and I'm just gonna actually move it there. Okay, perfect. Next page. So you get the idea. So this is what we're gonna do, and that's how we're gonna fill in these empty blank pages with the story on one side and illustration on the other. And you'll see how this looks in the final storybook when we do get to the final part of this. Okay, great. So let's quickly do that, and I will be right back. Let's head over to make the cover page now. We're going to copy the title. The title is Lily's Whimsical Adventure. And here I'm just going to choose the font color, the font style, and then the shadows on it. There we go. This looks nice. I'm just going to make it slightly bigger. Actually, I'm going to make it, yeah, this looks much better. Okay, perfect. Just wondering where to place it. The placement should be centered, but I do want the unicorn to be visible. Okay, perfect. And slightly more. Okay, so this looks great. Now that we have our storybook good to go, we can go ahead and preview it. Okay, first page, go. Perfect. There was an empty page, so I just went ahead and deleted it. And this is how our storybook finally looks. Perfect. So this says you need to have an even number of pages. So I do need to go ahead and delete a page. I'm going to go ahead and delete this page, and I'm just going to combine the end writing over here with that page, and now we have even number of pages, so that's 24 pages. Okay, that looks great. Just going to adjust the placement there, preview again. Okay, looks wonderful. And there you have it. Now we have our storybook ready to go. All we need now is to download it and upload it on Amazon KDP and start earning. So in my next video, I will be showing you the entire process of uploading it on Amazon KDP. Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!